Good evening, my dear students. Just we discussed about the extrusion molding and thermoforming. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss reinforcing. So, under the reinforcing, we will discuss hand layup technique and filament winding technique. Dear students, already these two techniques were discussed in third semester in material science and metallurgy. See, in composite material, we studied these two techniques. So again, I will revise. So you know that what is a composite material? Composite material means adding the two different materials, and that two different materials, one is matrix material, which is generally in the liquid form, and in that matrix material we add the solid materials either in the form of rods, fibers, small particles, etc., etc. So when we add that reinforced material into the liquid matrix material, okay, then we get one different type of the material whose properties are different from that reinforced material and matrix material. So such a material is known as composite material. So here we are going to discuss, okay, reinforcing. See, reinforcing a plastic matrix. So matrix material is the plastic with a high strength of fiber. So fiber is a reinforced material. So here fiber is added with the liquid plastic matrix material. Okay, so such process is known as fiber reinforced plastic, FRP. Okay, so here we are going to discuss two separate processes. So one is hand layup technique and second one is filament winding technique. Okay, now hand layup technique, see, it is the simplest technique you see here. So this is the mold. This mold is open to the atmosphere. You see the mold is open. Okay, see, this is the container or any device in which the liquid plastic matrix resin material is stored here. Okay, see, first of all, okay, then this is the hand roller. Okay, so manually this is the handle. So manually we can apply the pressure, okay, over here. Okay, so first here basically at the bottom of the mold, see, first layer which is given is a polyvinyl alcohol or silicone oil or polyvinyl alcohol. That coating is first done. Okay, that coating is first done. Why that coating is done here? Because after making the product we have to remove the product from the mold. We have to remove the product from the mold. So at that time that product should not adhere or should not stick to the mold walls and, okay, bottom portion of the mold. It should not adhere or stick. So for that purpose first we apply, okay, the layer of the polyvinyl alcohol or silicone. This is the first step. Okay, then after that, see, here the resin is here. So then here we pour the resin. So the first layer will be a resin layer. The first layer will be resin layer, that is a matrix material. So over that matrix material again we place one layer of glass coating. We place one layer of glass coating. So that is the reinforced material. Okay, again we place one layer of resin. Again we place one layer of glass coating. Okay, so it is continuous process, or it is continued, okay, till we get the required thickness of the product. So after that what will happen, then manually here we apply the pressure, okay, over that composite material, that is fiber reinforced plastic material. Why? Because during the process sometimes the air may get entrapped between the matrix and the reinforced layer. So by applying the pressure manually with the help of roller, we can remove that entrapped air, okay, or any bubbles. So after that what will happen, it is heated to particular temperature. It is curing process. It is known as curing process. So after heating what will happen, the perfect bonding between the matrix and the reinforced material takes place, okay. So after completion of the process, the product will be taken out from the mold. So this process is known as hand layup technique. See, after removing the product, sometimes some finishing operations are required to be performed on that finished product. Some trimming operations, some extra portions are to be removed, okay. Then that product can be used for the final purpose, for the required purpose, okay. This is the hand layup technique. Now you see here, this is the filament winding technique. You see here, this is the feed roll, okay. So we can feed the continuous strand of fiber. See, these are the fibers, means it is reinforced material, okay. So the reinforced material is allowed to pass through the resin. See, this is the container in which the liquid matrix resin is placed. So this reinforced material, it passes through the container containing liquid matrix resin. So what will happen, when these continuous fibers, strand fibers, they move through the matrix material, liquid matrix get deposited on the surface of the fibers. Then after that what will happen, they are allowed to, okay, wound over the mandrel. You see, this is a mandrel, it is a rotating mandrel. And one more thing, see, this unit is continuously moving backward and in the forward direction, okay. So this mandrel is continuously rotating. So because of that what will happen, continuously the fibers, okay, they get wound over the portion of this mandrel. So after that what will happen, curing will takes place, means it is heated to the required temperature. See, basically the hollow products are produced with the help of this method. Hollow products, okay, hollow products are produced, for example auto body parts, then boat hulls, okay, some building components. So after curing process we remove this mandrel. So what will happen, that wound product will remain as it is, and it is a hollow product, and it will be used for the required application, okay. Thank you.